Hey Chime users, ever feel like your money mysteriously vanished after a transaction and you just don't know where it went? First, open your Chime app and carefully review your transaction history. Identify the specific transaction you want to dispute. Make sure you recognize why you're disputing it. Is it unauthorized, incorrect, or for goods or services you didn't receive? Tap on the questionable transaction. This will open up the transaction details. Look for an option like report a problem, file a dispute, or something similar. The wording can vary depending on updates to the app. This will typically lead you to a dispute form. Here's where you explain the situation. Be clear, concise, and provide as much detail as possible. Include the date of the transaction, the amount, the merchant's name, and exactly why you are disputing the charge. Did you not authorize it? Were you charged the wrong amount? Never received the item? Be specific. Now, this is KY. Gather any supporting documentation that strengthens your claim. Screenshots of conversations with the merchant, order confirmation emails, tracking information, or anything else that proves your case is crucial. Upload these documents within the dispute form. There is usually an option to add files. Double-check everything for accuracy before you hit that submit button. Once submitted, you'll likely receive a confirmation email or notification from Chime acknowledging your dispute. Now comes the waiting game. Chime will investigate the dispute. This process can take some time, usually several business days. Keep an eye on your email and Chime app for updates or requests for additional information. Be prepared to cooperate with Chime throughout the investigation. They might contact you for more details or clarification. Respond promptly and provide any additional information they request to ensure a smooth resolution. If Chime rules in your favor, you'll receive a refund for the disputed amount. The refund will typically be credited back to your Chime account. Keep in mind that Chime's decision is final, so make sure you submitted the most clear explanation of your case.